Make a great choice today with the 2019 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, air conditioning third row, independent controls, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.